What if an event reservation can be handled entirely on autopilot? No manual calls, no back and forth emails, just a smooth automation system that does everything for you. So in this video, I will show you how an AI-powered automation can take event reservations, collect details with a follow-up call, collect additional requirements, and also sends a confirmation email, all without any manual work. Here I will be filling up a form, basically the core details of the event planning. These details will be sent to the AI caller, and for confirmation, the AI caller will call me back.
Hi, is this Cassie?
Yes, this is Tasin.
Hello, Cassie. This is Liana from Event Planner. I'm calling to confirm the details of your upcoming event. May I have a moment of your time?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Tassin. You have planned an event and provided us the details. Can we go through the details again to confirm it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Great. You have scheduled details for your event booking. Here are the details. Event type: wedding. Event date: 12/11/2025. Start time: 12 p.m. Venue: New York. Approximately 500 guests. Duration of the event: 3 hours. Your email address is alphaseek@gmail.com. Can you please confirm if all these details are correct?
Yeah, that is correct.
Thank you for confirming, Tassin. Do you have any additional requirements for your event? For example, special seating, live music, or extra parking spaces?
Yeah, I would like to have special seatings for about 100 people and extra parking lot for about 50 cars, and a white and black theme would be good for matching formals.
Great. I have noted your additional requirements. Special seating for 100 people, an extra parking lot for 50 cars, and a white and black theme for matching formals. Your request is updated now. Can I verify your email address for the final confirmation? We'll send you all the updated event details for review. Your email address is alphaseek@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you for confirming your email address. Tassin, thank you for confirming your event details with Event Planner. We'll proceed with your requests and keep you informed. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you. That's the call. I'm gonna get a follow-up email for the whole details right here. Yeah, this is the email. So this is the follow-up email. All the details are here, and also the additional requirements with the 100 people sitting, special sittings, and 50 car extra parking lots. Yeah, and the theme as well.
So as you just saw, the whole process was fully automated, starting from filling out the form to receive a confirmation email after the call. So now the question is, why did I use the to get all these event details using the form instead of using the AI, right? The main reason is accuracy. So using the AI might create miscommunications and errors. So just to avoid that, I use the form to get those event details, and the AI follows up to confirm the details and takes any other additional requests from the customer, and this actually makes the process more efficient and reliable. Before we start with the tutorial, let me introduce myself. I am n8n. I run an AI automation agency where I help businesses grow, save money, and bring more leverage by implementing AI-powered automations that saves time and increases efficiency. So let's get started with the step-by-step process of setting this up.
So let's start with the tutorial. I used n8n for the workflow, and now I'm gonna show you how this actually works. And if you need this workflow, I'm going to give this whole file in my resource hub, so you can get this from there. And if you have any questions or anything about this whole procedure, you can book a free consultation with me. We can discuss this over there. So the link will be on my video description. So the webhook I used to get all the event details, basically from this Google Sheets. So I will start with the form here. So I basically made this form to get all the core details of the event. So here are the questions. So I linked this form with the Google Sheets. You can link this from here. This So this is the Google Sheets. So yeah, and here when all these details are taken, when as soon as I submit the form, all the details will be taken over here. And how I linked this for this Google Sheet with the n8n is by using this webhook. So here I use this node, this method will be get, and then I copied this URL, and basically to connect this with the n8n, I have to use the extension, and the extension you can use from here, the extension, and then the app script. This will basically the method, like the way you can connect the webhook. So going into this, this will take over here. I made a trigger by using this format. You can get this format from the ChatGPT. You just have to give the all the values, like all the details, like the event type, the timestamp, name, email address, number, and all the basically all the details to the ChatGPT, and then ask the ChatGPT to make you a format so that you can just paste it over here and just save this. And from here you can set the trigger. This is my trigger basically. Here you just have to put this on form submission, because just as you submit the form, the webhook gets triggered, right? So on form submission, and then from a spreadsheet, and this event type will be on form submission as well. So yeah, and here this URL I placed over here in this section, and this is the URL. And whenever I get all the variables, these values will be sent back to this this URL, and then the webhook gets the details. And then after that, this webhook will give this node, and I said this node to like make a JSON format, because as I am using a HTTP module for VAPI, that is because as I am giving more than one variables, so using a HTTP module like node will be much better than using the VAPI tool. So here, after getting this value, here all these variables will be stated in JSON format. This is the JSON format, and these are the values I get from the webhook in this format. And then I basically send this whole thing to here in this. You just have to make this HTTP module in post, and then give the URL of the VAPI, and this you don't have to do anything here. The header, in the header you just have to put your VAPI's API key by writing the authorization, and then in the body you say in JSON format, and then JSON, and this is the whole thing. Basically this is the format by which it will carry on the call. Like you have to set this assistant ID, then give the assistant ID code, and then the overrides. These overrides will carry on all the variables from the webhook to the AI caller. From here it will get all the details of your event. So yeah, this is how it should be. And then in the customer details, there will be the number of the customer from the webhook. It will get the number from the webhook, and your number ID basically over here. So this is how you make the node for the AI caller. This will help you to trigger the VAPI, and the call will run. And as soon as the call runs, there will be a number ID, like a caller ID for this. Here I basically use these Google Sheets to get the caller ID in terms of getting the match with the timestamp. Here's the timestamp, matches with the timestamp, and then just get the caller ID. So I'm gonna run this module. We'll just quickly fill up this form. Yeah, so the form is completed, and I'm just gonna submit this, and we'll just trigger this node. Yeah, as you can see, a call will just come. Yeah, that's it. this is how it works basically. So yeah, you can see how the values come. Yeah, here is the values. These are the details of the whole form, and then these details basically gets into here and forms as a JSON format. And you can use this node if you want, and if you want to skip this, you can. It's just up to you. And then this gets into here from the JSON format. Yeah, these are the values, and then I just drag this and here and just place it over there. That's it. Yeah, this is how all this gets the values, and from here, and then I get the caller ID from here. Let me see. Yeah, this is the caller ID. This is the caller ID. So this is the caller ID. You can just grab this and use it over here. So yeah, this is the format basically to run the call. Now we will move on to the next part, which is when the call starts and gets all the values and also the additional requirements from the customer. After that, the transcript basically gets from the VAPI and then triggers this webhook and gets all the values, and then the whole process starts. So these are the critical part over here. So let's see. What I did is I made an assistant over here, a VAPI assistant. This is the model and this is the prompt I used, and I basically gives the all the variables over here, in what format it will come, and then how you have to answer it, and then I just used it like this. And I used ChatGPT photo menu, which is very much will do the work. And yeah, and where I use this webhook, basically this webhook, you have to use this as a post method only for VAPI. I don't know, I use this as a get because I'm getting the values, right? So it doesn't work like that. For VAPI it works as a post. So this is the one that you have to give, and this URL you have to put on in this advanced, and down here in the server URL. Why I use this? Because I have to get the transcript of the whole call, right? The whole call, all the details will be sent back to this webhook, and then from there this AI agent basically finds the keywords where the AI caller talks with the customer about the additional requirements. So there he just takes the values and then just use that in the mail, and also updates on the Google Sheets over here, right over here. This is how it just plays it. So I'm gonna show you how it works. So yeah, I'm gonna call the VAPI. As you know, I'm not providing the details through the form. I'm just gonna call it with just a random demo call, so it will not have the event details. So I'm just gonna place some details through the call. It will get that. It might not get the email because you know the miscommunications that happen in the call. Giving the email is much harder, so I guess I should fill up the form and get the values. So okay, I'm just gonna do that quickly. Yeah, so done with filling up the form. So let's wait for the call. Yeah.
Hi, is this Cassie?
Yes.
Hi, this is Liana from Event Planner. I'm calling to confirm the details of your upcoming event. May I have a moment of your time?
Yes, of course.
You task sign, you have planned an event and provided us the details. Can we go through the details again to confirm it?
Yes, go ahead.
3. You have scheduled details for your event booking. Here are the details. Event type, wedding. Event date, 10/10/2025. Event start time, 7 a.m. Venue address, California. Approximately 1000 guests. Event duration, 3 hours. Your email address is almothink@gmail.com. Do you have any additional requirements for your event? For example, special seating, live music, or extra parking spaces?
Yeah, I would like to have special seatings for about 100 people and extra parking slot for about 50 cars and a theme of white and black that matches with the formal.
3. Your request for special seating for about 100 people, extra parking for 50 cars, and a team in off-white and black that matches the formal theme have been noted. Now can I verify your email address for the final call?
Basically, we are done with the call. Let's see about how we get the transcript. Yeah, this is how we get the transcript. So the whole conversation was sent from the VAPI to the webhook. So we'll see how it comes. So here you can see the message 1, this and this and this, and I don't know, it's a problem with the prompting because it was messing up with my name. I did not mention about like making the name precise, so there is a problem with the prompt, but you can fix it if you prompt it like that. So it was a demo prompt, so yeah, it messes with the name. So this is how the messages come, message 7, 8 and then 9. But what we need is the message for OpenAI format. So if we give the message format, it will not be as precise as if we give the messages OpenAI format. So I'm going to show you how this basically works, and I use this Google Sheets because as there is so many results, so it might get confused, or it might even get all the values, all the rows. So I need the specific one, right? So I used this for node to take match with the caller ID that I have taken from the previous one, right? So it will match with the caller ID that is over here, I guess at the bottom of here. The calls here's the call. This is the caller ID, so it matches with the caller ID and then takes that row, and based on that it will provide all these other details that was taken from the form to the AI agent. And here is the main process, like here's the main deal. So in here, how you have to set this is, as I am using the tools, so wait, so these are the tools, right? These are the tools. So for AI agent, I have taken the model of OpenAI. So this is the brain, and these are the tools. So with the help of this brain, the AI agent will see where to send the informations. So basically, I set this agent as tool agent, and then the source will be below defined, because I am not using a chat trigger node. Chat trigger node is basically for messages, so I'm not using any message, right? I'm just giving all the informations from one webhook to the to here, right? So I'm using this defined below, so this will be defined over here. So what is defined basically, this that message OpenAI formatted, this whole thing was just placed over here. So from here it will take all the values from the transcript in this format. I just give the description over here in the system message. You can find the system message in this add option. So from here you will take this system message and then instruct the AI agent in this way. So I said that its role is to retrieve these event details in this format, and then also see for the additional requirements, which is the additional details will be given by the customer, right? So I also said here that not to mention the link of the n8n, as I am using a trial account. That is why I guess in the mail this thing was showing. So in the next video I will show you how you can remove this. So this is how you just have to say, just instruct the AI agent to follow these instructions basically. I also mentioned in here that you will get the transcript from this, so this is not needed, but I did not take the chance basically. So yeah, so this is how you will instruct this AI agent, and in the tool section you will add this and this. Whatever tool you need, you can add more from here based on your needs. So in this video I only showed the Gmail one. So in the upcoming video I will show you how you can book an appointment with the help of AI agent. So here I will just show how you made this Gmail basically. So you have to add this Gmail account over here by giving your credentials. Basically they want your like a request of editing your emails and stuff. So by doing that, you just set this resource as message and operation as send, and you can also use this if you want. I just have to send the message, so I'm using this. And n2 is basically whom I am sending this message, right? So here, this is the format you need. Just use some curly brackets and then just use the this, and then from AI, then just put this. This is the format basically. Yeah, this is the format. So in this way you have to set this up like the one I have done over here. So one thing I have to show you is this key value is the detail that it needs, like send to someone, or the key words basically. And in the description you have to explain what to do. Did you understand? Like, yeah. So here in the keyword I just use to, like to whom, and then in the description I said the mail will be provided in the description. Basically description is basically the where to find the mail. So this is the format, and basically I in the subject I basically used I even use this string. You can use this string, or you can just give whole thing to the AI. The AI will generate by itself by using the brain, OpenAI. It will understand what type of event are you like the subject will be, like based on the details. So you can use the AI thingy, or you can also use in this format. So it's up to you. So using this AI will also help you. Will basically do the whole work. If you don't want to use this, or you want to avoid this, so you can avoid this and then just give the description in the down below. And if you want to do manually, you can do this. So yeah, that is it. So the email that was sent on that time was here. So yeah, this is it. So yeah, the Gmail thing is basically done, and the one more tool is left is with this. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you how you can add this one, right? So basically fill upping your credentials, you have to have a API reference of OpenAI. Yeah, for that you have to go to OpenAI API over here. Yeah, from here you can just get the get your basically the whole thing by building your API, and then just get your credentials, and then add this over here. So yeah, and then the response, it's up to you. If you want your response to be in JSON format, then you can just set this in this format, and if you want the whole answers to be given in text format, then just place it on text. So I need a text one, so yeah, I use text. And the last one is Google Sheets. Over here I basically messed with the caller ID because to identify which row I am using basically. So with the with the caller ID, I basically placed all the variables that I'm getting of the additional requests. For getting these values, basically you have to set this in this format basically. So if you want to use in this format, you can by giving the curly brackets and then give the $sign and the form from AI format. You can do this like this, or you can just press this on the AI, so it will just use its brain and then just put the values on based on the additional request that they get from the transcript. So it's up to you. It is much easier to use like this, or if you want to get the accurate values, like the first one to be on the first additional request, then you have to like use this as in this format. So it's up to you. So done with the workflow. So if you have any questions throughout this whole process, you can ask me on the comment section. I will try my best to solve your problems, and you will find this whole workflow in my resource hub, so you can take that from there. And on my next video, I'll be showing you how you can book an meeting or an appointment using this whole AI agent. And yeah,
I hope this video helped you understand how AI can automate event registrations totally. And if you found this video useful, consider subscribing for more automation tutorials like this. And if you are interested in implementing this type of automations in your business, feel free to reach out. You can book a free consultation with me. Link will be in the video description. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.